Welcome, and thank you for being here. Today you'll discover how IT-Qube Technologies offers more than just automation. We offer a comprehensive solution that brings structure, clarity, and speed to your daily operations. In today's market, falling behind isn't just a risk, it's a cost. If your competitors communicate faster, automate smarter, and adapt quicker, they win the client. Let's explore how you can stay ahead, not by working harder, but by working smarter. Let's start with what's quietly costing companies every day. Manual tasks drain your time. Disconnected tools increase the chance of error. When coordination breaks down and data slips through the cracks, clients lose trust, and you lose business. Outdated processes and lack of visibility don't just slow you down, they make it easy for more agile competitors to pull ahead. So ask yourself, how much profit are you losing to inefficiency? How many clients have gone elsewhere simply because you weren't fast enough to respond? If any of this sounds familiar, don't wait. You can always book a quick call with our team. We'll review your case, share examples from your industry, and show you what's possible. No pressure, no cost. IT-Qube isn't a patch. It's a comprehensive solution designed to eliminate chaos and unlock your capacity to grow. Here's a real example, and maybe you'll see a bit of your own business in it. A mid-sized company with over 30 employees was losing up to 4 hours every day just coordinating routine logistics. Clients called repeatedly, "Did you receive my documents? Can I change the delivery time? What's the status?" Team members were overwhelmed. Deadlines slipped. Morale dropped. And the real kicker, over 60% of those requests could have been handled automatically. So the question is, are you paying skilled staff to do work that smart automation can already handle? Because if so, that's time, energy, and money walking out the door. With IT-Qube's comprehensive solution, you reclaim that time and redirect it to where it actually grows the business. So how do we solve it? With IT-Qube, you don't get another tool to manage. You get a comprehensive solution that connects everything: your communication, your workflows, and your client experience. Imagine having one place where every client message arrives, is instantly routed to the right person, and handled with full context. Imagine workflows that move without delays and routine tasks that disappear because they've already been automated. This isn't a patchwork of apps, this is structure. And in a market where every second counts, that structure is your competitive edge. Let's be honest, clients today expect speed and simplicity. They don't want to wait on hold or send 5 emails to reschedule a delivery. They want to tap a button, get an answer, and move on. With IT-Qube, they can. They get reminders automatically. They reschedule through WhatsApp or your website. They get updates before they even ask. And here's the business impact. When service feels easy, clients stay longer. And when you can deliver that kind of experience, you don't just retain customers, you build reputation. Now let's talk about one of the most expensive silent losses in business: delayed responses. A client sends a message. No one sees it for hours. The opportunity fades. By the time your team follows up, it's already gone. With IT-Qube, that delay disappears. Every inquiry, whether from email, phone, or chat, is automatically recognized, routed, and responded to in the client's language, with full tracking behind it. This isn't just automation. It's intelligent communication that works at the speed of business. And it ensures you never lose a lead again, just because no one-hit reply. If you're wondering how much time and opportunity this might be costing you, we can help you find out. Just reach out. A short conversation might reveal more than you expect. Fragmentation is one of the biggest threats to growing companies. When your team is switching between emails, Spreadsheets, chats, and CRM tools, things fall through the cracks. No one sees the full picture. No one knows who's doing what. And that confusion, it costs time. It costs trust. It costs money. IT-Qube replaces scattered tools with one comprehensive solution, where every inquiry, every update, and every task lives in one place. No more switching tabs. No more copy-paste chaos. Just focus, speed, and transparency. That's not just easier. That's how businesses scale without falling apart. In today's digital world, trust is built on how well you protect your data. IT-Qube is designed with security at its core, encrypted storage, controlled access, real-time activity logging, GDPR and KRITIS compliance. You know exactly who accessed what and when. Nothing gets lost. Nothing gets exposed. And in a world where clients ask, "How do you protect my information?" you will have a confident answer. Because data protection is no longer just a technical issue, it's a competitive differentiator. Let's ask the question no one likes to face. What is your company losing because you can't see what's really happening? No caller tracking means missed leads. No request classification means wasted time. No dashboard means no accountability and no improvement. When you don't see the gaps, you can't fix them. And that invisibility, it's more expensive than any tool. IT-Qube eliminates blind spots. You finally see what's working, what's not, and what needs attention, so you stop guessing and start leading. So what do you actually get when you choose IT-Qube? You gain a real-time workspace where access is controlled, inquiries are routed intelligently, and your tools are fully connected. From the first client message to the final confirmation, everything flows through one comprehensive solution that adapts to your needs. You get consistency across branches, structure across teams, and visibility across every interaction. It's not just about automation. It's about giving your business the foundation to grow without losing control. That's not theory. That's the infrastructure behind scalable, modern operations. Let's talk about a scenario that happens more often than we'd like to admit. An urgent request comes in, but there's no notification, no owner, no follow-up. By the time someone notices, 2 days have passed and the client is gone. Now, what does that really cost? The answer depends on your team, your processes, and your industry. But one thing we know for certain, when visibility is missing, the price is rarely just one lost email. It's missed revenue, strained staff, and lost trust. In some organizations, we've measured up to €15,000 per year in direct and indirect losses, simply due to delays, repeated client questions, or missed follow-ups. And that's per person. We're not saying this number applies to you. But we are saying this, we've seen the pattern. And if you'd like, we can walk through your workflows together and show what these hidden costs might look like in your case. Because when you make the invisible visible, you take back control. If these issues resonate with you, we've likely solved something similar before. Let's map your case and show you what can be improved. No obligation, just insights. Schedule a free discovery call. Contact is at the end. How's my order? Did you receive my message? Can I change the delivery date? Each question takes seconds, but multiplied by dozens each day, your team loses hours. And every minute spent on repetition is a minute not spent on value. IT-Qube stops the drain. Clients get automated updates and status messages without calling, without waiting. Your staff focuses on high-impact work, not answering the same question 14 times. That's how you reclaim time and reinvest it where it counts. What makes IT-Qube truly different? It's not just about automation, it's about putting your business in control. Let's look at what that really means. You can manage high call volumes with parallel lines, powered by VoIP system. That means no wait times and no dropped leads. You get flexible call routing, so each request reaches the right department immediately without bouncing around. Every call is recorded, giving you full traceability for training, quality assurance, and compliance. And on the client side, CRM integration ensures that leads are captured, categorized, and followed up automatically. Communication is seamless across WhatsApp, Telegram, email, your website, and phone. And feedback doesn't get lost, it gets logged, responded to, and used to improve. This isn't a patchwork of tools, it's a comprehensive communication and coordination solution that grows with your business, keeps your team aligned, and helps you deliver with consistency, even under pressure. In short, IT-Qube gives you the operational strength to outperform slower competitors and the technology to stay one step ahead. Let's talk about stability, because even the smartest tools are useless if they stop working when you need them most. At IT-Qube, infrastructure monitoring isn't an extra. It's built into our comprehensive solution. We track your hosting, IP telephony, databases, and all critical software components 24/7. We detect risks early, so your team doesn't face unexpected outages or last-minute panics. And when something goes wrong, instant alerts mean your team knows what's happening and can act fast. Because when your tools are down, your business stops. We make sure that doesn't happen. Let's take a look at what this actually looks like for your team. The IT-Qube desktop interface isn't cluttered with complexity. It's built to help people move quickly and clearly, without getting lost in tabs and spreadsheets. From a single view, dispatchers and coordinators can see what's scheduled, what's overdue, and what needs action. Client data, communication history, delivery notes, it's all right there without the need to dig. When information is visual and intuitive, performance follows. Client interactions should feel effortless for both sides. With IT-Qube's lead card, every client contact is documented, categorized, and instantly accessible. Need to check a message thread? It's there. Need to make a quick callback or send a confirmation? One click. No more searching through inboxes or losing time on disconnected notes. This kind of responsiveness builds trust and gives your staff the tools they need to serve professionally and efficiently. In business, timing is everything, and a late update can cost you more than just a delay. With IT-Qube, your team can send SMS messages directly from the CRM without switching tabs or losing time. Appointment reminders, delivery confirmations, follow-ups, each step in contract, all handled in seconds. Templates keep the communication consistent. Automation ensures it's on time. And the result? Fewer missed appointments, fewer unnecessary calls, and more satisfied clients. Because in today's world, silence feels like a problem. And IT-Qube keeps your clients confidently in the loop. Let's be clear, artificial intelligence is no longer optional. It's how modern businesses stay competitive. At IT-Qube, we use AI to free up your team from repetitive work, like routing inquiries, categorizing requests, and handling FAQs. But we don't replace people, we elevate them. AI handles the routine. Your team focuses on strategy, judgment, and relationship building. It reduces error, accelerates response time, and gives you access to tools that used to belong only to the enterprise giants. If you're not already integrating AI, your competitors will beat you to it. We don't just hand you a platform and walk away. IT-Qube provides a full range of services to support your team and optimize your operations. From setting up communication bots to integrating website forms, tracking user activity, and offering live monitoring. We help you customize your environment, reduce routine manual work, and give your staff the tools they need to perform at their best without having to fight the tech. When you invest in a comprehensive solution, support isn't a bonus, it's the standard. And we're here to help you scale with confidence. Let's talk about internal efficiency, the part clients don't see, but that defines how strong your business really is. With IT-Qube, we help you automate the core of your internal operations. Project planning becomes structured. Reports generate themselves. Workflows run without follow-up emails or reminder pings. And AI chatbots. They don't just handle customer FAQs. They assist your own team, answer common internal questions, and help onboard new staff faster. This isn't about replacing people. It's about giving your people back their time and their focus, so your business can move faster and scale smarter. When you invest in a digital solution, the last thing you want is to be left managing it alone. That's why IT-Qube includes full technical support and infrastructure monitoring from day one. We oversee your servers, hosting, backups, and performance. We help you set up your accounts, your communication channels, your website, your bots, and make sure it all works as one seamless, secure operation. Our job is to keep your digital foundation strong, so your team can focus on moving the business forward, not managing tools in the background. The world moves fast, and we're building what's next, so you don't fall behind. Coming soon to IT-Qube, a voice assistant that interacts naturally with clients, AI that simulates real-time IVR conversations, auto-classification of requests, smart scheduling, and multi-channel reminders via SMS, email, and Telegram. These features are built to give you the edge in response time, in personalization, and in service quality. And here's the good news. Sign your contract now, and you'll receive all AI upgrades automatically, at no extra cost. Because we don't just sell a product, we grow with you. Let's bring it all together, not in features, but in outcomes. With IT-Qube, you reduce operational costs by cutting down manual work and repetitive communication. You scale without hiring more, because your workflows support growth by design. Your client data stays protected and compliant, because trust is your brand. And your business keeps pace with the latest technologies, while others are still catching up. But here's what matters most. We don't force you into a mold. We tailor every part of this comprehensive solution around your real-world processes, your team, and your clients. Because when your tools truly fit, your business flies. Every business is unique, and we'd love to hear about yours. If any part of this presentation raised questions or reflected your current challenges, let's talk. Our experts are ready to help. No strings attached. Worried that implementation will be difficult? It won't be. And here's why. With IT-Qube, you follow a clear, low-risk path. We begin with analysis, mapping how your business runs today. We formalize the agreement, no surprises, full clarity. Then we handle installation and testing without disrupting your operations. And finally, we configure everything to fit your workflows perfectly. This process is simple, structured, and fully guided. You're not just buying a tool. You're gaining a partner who stays with you, from onboarding to optimization. You've seen the problems. You've seen how we solve them. And now, you have a choice. You can continue fighting the same fires, or you can transform how your business runs, communicates, and grows. IT-Qube isn't just software. It's a comprehensive solution designed to give you clarity, speed, and structure in a world that rewards agility. So let's stop reacting. Let's start building. With the right tools behind you, growth becomes predictable. Let's create that future together. Visit us at IT-Qube.GmbH or book a call. We're ready when you are.